The overall goal of the following experiment is to characterize the nature of the relationship between arterial blood pressure and cerebral blood flow fluctuations in healthy individuals. This is achieved using oscillatory lower body negative pressure to create central blood volume shifts and arterial pressure fluctuations similar to those that occur during standing, but in a controlled and graded manner without accompanying muscle contraction. As a second step, projection pursuit regression is used to quantify the relationship measured arterial pressure and cerebral blood flow. Next, points where the arterial pressure-cerebral flow relationship changes are identified, and the gain within each region where the relationship is approximately linear are estimated as a measure of the effectiveness of cerebral autoregulation within that region. The results show that as the oscillations of lower body negative pressure become slower, arterial pressure fluctuations become larger, while fluctuations in cerebral blood flow are progressively more effectively dampened.
The main advantage of this technique over existing methods like transfer function analysis is that projection pursuit is a nonlinear theoretical method, meaning that a model is not posited a priori but derived directly from the observations. This is a decided advantage to characterize a system whose physiology is not yet defined by explicit models. Demonstrating the procedure will be Jason Hamner, a biomedical engineer from our lab.
Be sure to obtain the